Wow, this is the perfect time. Searching through the internet, I bumped into images like this. As I did my little research, I found out that this is all the work of AI. As you may be thinking, do I have pay before I can get this done? No, it's all free, no subscription or monthly payment. Stick with me and let's dive deep into the world of AI site or software which is able to create all these creatures. Open your favorite browser and search Bing Image Creator. While on the page, you need to have an account before you can have access to the prompt search box. If you have a Microsoft account, great. You can start to provide your prompt in the search bar like this as you see. Else, if you don't have an account, let's create a new Microsoft account and use that to generate the images. Open your browser and search for Bing Image Creator. So you need to go in and click the official Bing Image Creator link. So click on that. This is the interface dashboard for the Bing Image Creator. You need to have access in generating the images. You need to have to join with an account, a Microsoft account. In that case, you need to click join and create. Without the Microsoft account, you can't generate any images. So just click join and create. Once you click join and create, now you have the option to enter your email if you already have a Microsoft account. Better still, if you don't have one, you can create one by clicking on create one. So if you don't have a Microsoft account and you want me to create one for you, leave it in the comment section and I'll create a new video showing you how to create your Microsoft account, and then you can use that to log in. But here in my case, I already have my Microsoft account created. So let's enter your mail here. Right, so once you're done, click on next. So you enter your password, right, sign in, and it's telling you to stay logged in. That is an option for you, but in my case I don't need. Right, now this is the interface. Here is the search bar where you can type in your prompt to generate any images, and these are all templates for you. You can use either of them to generate your own images, but in my case we need to just give it a prompt. I already typed in my prompt down. Let me just copy and paste the prompt here, right here. So you paste your prompt. A little boy stealing eggs from the chickens while the chickens is chasing him and he is scared. So that is our prompt. So let's create. Once you type in your prompt, you click on create. So create, right, as it is generating. So let's just wait on it to load. Right, so we have all these images, so you can click on it to display the image. Right, this is our first image. Now next image. Wow, great. And this, we have all this. These are all images created. So if you want to download either of these images, let's say I want to download this image, this is just the download button, so you just click on that to download it. As it is being downloaded, you can click on next. Right, I love this one, so let's just download this one too. Now you can see that they have all downloaded. So you click on it to open. Right, this is the image which is being created. This is it, which has been opened. So let's close this. Right, you can see that. So that is being stored onto my computer. Now there's one other thing, is that you need some coins in order for you to be generating. So these are the coins which are generated. So be observing these coins. I'll provide another prompt and you see that the coins will be reduced. So let's provide in another prompt. This is in the prompt. A Chinese pudgy man chasing a Chinese pudgy kid, holding rice while having a sandal on his hand, and in the background of a city in 3D image. So let's generate that too. Be observing the coins. You see that the coins will be reducing while the image is generating. You can see that the coins has reduced to 18. So we wait on the image to create. Right, as you can see, we have the images created. So click on it to display all that. Right, we have that here. You can see that this is the sandal that he is having. This is the rice. Wow, nice images. This is all that I have created. So each and every day the coins regenerate back to 15. So that is just how to keep on getting the coins.
And moreover, these are the images which were created in your previous prompt. So once you create any image, it will be generated within this sidebar here. So these are what I've created so far. As I keep generating more, so we can keep more prompts for generation, and I'll leave some of the prompts below. And this is another prompt which is generating, but I'll leave some of the prompts below in the description, so you can check them out below. And as we wait for this one to generate, if you like the video and need more videos like this, let me know in the comment section as we get interactive. Right, so this is our third prompt, as you can see here, and we have generate an image of a chubby Chinese boy holding a phone to snap a picture while his friends are at his back. All right, so as our prompt is here, we can keep editing our prompt to get a perfect image. Like this, you can see most of the videos, the boy face is frowned. Like, we can make it like this: generate an image of a chubby Chinese boy holding a phone, of a chubby boy with a smiley face, with a smiling face, holding a phone, to snap a picture while his friends are at his back, admiring him. Right, so we can generate again. As it keeps generating, so we just wait for it to regenerate that. Right, you can see that now. You can see that most of the videos, they are all smiley and then fresh pictures. So if this video was helpful, as I said, I'll leave a link for the Bing image creator in the description. And if this video was helpful and you like more videos like this, leave it in the comment section, and I'll get back and I'll get your feedback onto that. Until then, don't forget to like and subscribe as we keep updating you more videos like this on this channel. Moreover, if you are interested in videos like this, do give us more likes on this video, and we will keep creating AI content more often on this channel. Peace out.